And so I invite you to turn your attention within, to take a deep breath, to feel your feet firmly planted on the ground, to sit, if you will, with your hands open and the paper and pencil nearby. So we're not going to write yet. And this goes for you at home. So I invite you to review this year. Make your way in your mind's eye through the winter, the spring, the summer, the fall, and now. Just taking a quick view of that. And what have been some of the highs of this year? Some of the blessings? And what have been some of the disappointments, the regrets? Perhaps you're missing someone in your life that has left this year. What are you most grateful for? What has been your biggest challenge? And what feels heavy? What feels exhausting? What is no longer true for you? What role or habit are you releasing? What limiting belief about yourself is time to go? What is ready to be transformed? So I invite you to find your paper and your pencil. And in the silence, I'm going to invite you to release, to write those things that you want to let go of, whether, again, they be habits, places, what is no longer needed. And you'll have like 3-4 minutes to do this, so take your time. And so I invite you to come to a place of closure with writing. And I'm going to ask you to rip the paper, but only once, because if it's ripped too much, you can't burn it because it's too small. But I'd like you to hold it up right now and say, I release these patterns.
I release these patterns.
And again, I release these patterns. And in the end is the beginning. So next week is the white stone. So we're going to release, we're going to let go. But you need to fill it with something. Otherwise, guess what? The old patterns come back. So come next week for the white stone to state your intention.